To start learning C++ on Windows using Visual Studio Code, we'll walk through the process of installing the free Community Edition and setting up a basic console project. Step 1. Download Visual Studio. Open your preferred web browser, use your favorite search engine to search for Visual Studio, navigate to the official Microsoft Visual Studio download page, download the free Community Edition. Step 2. Install Visual Studio. Once the installer has downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder and launch it. In the installer, select Desktop Development with C++. This workload includes everything needed for C++ console applications. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Visual Studio will launch automatically. Step 3. Create a new C++ project. Select Create a new project. Use the template search or scroll to find the Windows Desktop Wizard. Select the template and click Next. Choose your project, name, and location. Optionally, create a new directory beforehand for your project like I have. Check the box, place solution and project in the same directory. Click Create. In the wizard, ensure the application type is set to console application, then click OK. For step 4, we're going to explore and edit the code. Visual Studio will generate a default Hello World C++ program. To practice writing code, we're going to delete lines 4 through 10 of the generated code. Retype those lines yourself to get the hands-on experience. Pause, take your time if needed. For step 5, we're going to build and run the program. To build or compile the program, we're going to use the top menu, Build tab, Build Solution, or you can hit Control-Shift-B. If you have no errors, that means your program compiled correctly. We're going to go ahead and run it by hitting F5, or you can use the Debug tab and you can select Start Debugging. If everything was set up correctly, a console window will pop up displaying your output text. Congratulations, you've just finished installing Visual Studio, creating your first project, compiling, and running your first project.